Cultivation practices for apple. Apple, which has the botanical name as Mollis domestica, and it has the basic chromosome number as 17, and it belongs to the family Rosaceae. Introduction. The apple, that is Mollis domestica, is an important temperate fruit, and it is grown in area where winter are cold, springs are frost-free, summer is mild. The genus Mollis has 25 species. Origin of apple is from southwestern Asia, Soviet Central Asia, and the Hindu Kush Himalayan region. In India, it was introduced by Captain Lee in 1865 in Kulu Valley of Himachal Pradesh. Later on, red color delicious group varieties were introduced at Khodkar of Himachal Pradesh in 1917 by Mr. Satyananda Stokes. Apple fruit is rich in carbohydrates, proteins, and nutrients like K, P, and Ca. Area and production. In India, apple is grown on commercial scale in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. It is also cultivated on limited scale in northeastern states like Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, and Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu. In India, apple occupies an area of 2,82,940 hectare with total production of 17,77,230 metric tons. Climatic requirement for apple. The apple is generally grown in temperate regions of the world. Northern aspect is considered most suitable for its cultivation. Most of the apple varieties require 1000 to 1600 chilling hours during winter to break the rest period. However, some low chilling varieties require only 500 to 800 chilling hours. The average summer temperature should be around 21 to 24 degrees Celsius during active growth period. Low temperature below 15 degrees Celsius, rains, and cloudy weather during blossom restrict the bee activity and adversely affect fruit set. The optimum temperature for pollination, pollen germination, and fruit setting is 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. The area with frost-free spring, adequate sunshine during summer without wide fluctuation in temperature are most suitable. Well-distributed rainfall of about 100 to 125 cm throughout the season is necessary. The long drought spell during fruit development and excessive rains and foggy conditions at maturity hamper the fruit size and quality. Soil requirement. Apple thrives best in loamy soils which are rich in organic matter. A soil pH between 6 to 6.5 with good drainage and aeration are considered most suitable. The soil should be deep, fertile, and free from hard substratum and waterlogged conditions. Varieties. Recommended varieties of apple in different states of India, which are categorized in three types: early season, mid season, and late season varieties. Varieties for the different state. First, we'll go for the early season varieties for Jammu and Kashmir state: Irish peach and Benoni. For Himachal Pradesh, Redmans early, Worcester, Mitchell, Mollis delicious, Star Crimson, and Anna. For Uttarakhand, early Shanbari, Funny, Benoni, and Chaubatia Princess. Mid-season variety for Jammu Kashmir region: American Mother, Razakvar, Jonathan, Pippin, Queen's Apple, Rome Beauty, Scarlet Siberian. Mid-season variety for Himachal Pradesh: Starking Delicious, Red Delicious, Vance Delicious, Top Red, Red Chip, Red Spur. Mid-season variety for Uttarakhand: Red Delicious, Starking Delicious, Golden Delicious. Late season variety for Jammu and Kashmir: King Pepin, American, Carry Pepin, Lal Amri, Sunheri. Late season variety for Himachal Pradesh: Golden Delicious, Yellow Winter Banana, Granny Smith. And late season variety for Uttarakhand: Raymond and Buckingham. Spur types and color spots: Red Chip, Orango, Wellspur, Red Spur, Super Chip, hardy spur, and axe spur. These are the some images for different types of varieties of apple: red chip variety, Oregon spur, Vence delicious, and top red. Standard color mutant varieties: Vence delicious, top red, skyline, supreme, hardyman, and bright N early. Standard varieties: Starking delicious, red delicious, and rich red. These are the some images for variety rich red and Starking delicious. Low chilling varieties of apple: Anna, Tama tropical beauty, and Perlin's beauty. Pollinizing varieties: Golden delicious, red gold, Summer queen, golden spur, Granny Smith, winter banana, scarlet gala, and flowering crabs like Manchurian, snowdrift, and Mollusc floribunda. Scab resistant varieties: Prima, Priscilla, Surprise, Florina, Shirin, COP 12, COP 13, Liberty, and Freedom. Hybrid varieties of apple: Lalambri, Cross R, Red Delicious into Amri, Sunheri, Amri into Golden Delicious, Chaubatia Princess and Chaubatia Anupam. Crosses are Early Shunberry and Red Delicious, Umbred, Red Delicious into Amri, Umbrich, Richard into Amri, Ambroil, Starking Delicious into Ambri. Rootstock and propagation. First, we will go for the seedling rootstock. Seedling rootstock are vigorous and not uniform in size. Seedling of crabapple, that is Mollis baccatata, or self-pollinating varieties like Golden Delicious and Granny Smith. Clonal rootstock for apple. Clonal rootstock are precocious, uniform, and resistant to some insect pests and diseases. The promising clonal rootstock of apple are M9 and M26, that is the dwarfing rootstock, M7, MM106, semi-dwarfing rootstock, MM111, semi-vigorous, and Marathon 793 is the vigorous rootstock. Maling series of rootstock are size controlling but not resistant to woolly apple aphids. Maling Marathon series, that is MM, are size controlling and resistant to woolly apple aphids. And EMLA series of rootstock are virus free. Propagation of rootstock. First we'll go for seedling rootstock. Seed are stratified for 60 to 70 days in alternate layers of the moist sand at 4 to 6 degrees Celsius during December to February. The stratified seeds are sown in nursery bed during March at the spacing of 8 to 10 cm from seed to seed and 15 to 20 cm from line to line. After sowing, the nursery beds are mulched with 10 cm thick dry grass and light irrigation is given to avoid desiccation of stratified seeds. Mulch is removed as soon as seeds start germinating. Cultural operations like weeding, hoeing, irrigation, and spraying of insecticides and fungicides are done at regular intervals. The seedling rootstock attain graftable size of 15 mm diameter in a year. Clonal rootstock is propagated by using mound layering and trench layering method. Here you can see the images for it. Next is propagation of scion. The commercial method of propagation of apple scion varieties is grafting and chip budding. Scion wood is collected from 1-year-old shoots during January and packed in moist sphagnum moss after proper labeling of variety. These bundles of scion wood are stored in cold storage and buried deep in the soil at shady place till required for grafting. Base time of grafting of apple is February to March with tongue and cleft methods. Chip budding can also be done in month of March and July. Planting and planting densities. Base time of planting of apple is January February. Planting distance varies according to variety, rootstock, and fertility status of soil. Before planting, orchard layout should be planned. In flat land, square or hexagonal system of layout is adopted, whereas in slopy land, contour and terrace system of layout is done. The pits of 1 by 1 by 1 meter size are dug well in advance of planting. The pits are filled at least 1 month before planting with soil in which 40 to 50 kg of well-rotten FIM, 1 kg of single superphosphate are mixed. After planting, watering is done and tree basins are mulched with 10 cm thick dry grass. In apple, most of the varieties are self-unfruitful. Therefore, at the time of planting, proper proportion of pollinizer varieties, that is 25 to 33%, should be planted in the orchard. Spacing and planting densities for different scion stock combination. Rootstock, if seedling rootstock is there, tree size is vigorous, so spacing recommended is 7.5 by 7.5 meter. For semi-vigorous rootstock, that is MM111 and Marathon 793, spacing recommended is 6 by 6 meter. For semi-dwarfing rootstock, that is MM106 and M7, spacing recommended is 4.5 by 4.5 meter. Dwarfing rootstock AM9 and M27, spacing is 1.5 by 1.5 meter. For semi-vigorous spur type seedling rootstock, spacing is 5 by 5 meter. Semi-dwarf spur type rootstock, that is MM111 and Marathon 793, spacing recommended is 3.5 by 3.5 meter. And for dwarfing spur type rootstock, that is MM106 and M7, spacing recommended is 3 by 3 meter. Training. Training is done to shape or build a strong framework of the tree. Modified central leader system of training is adopted in apple. Pruning. The objective is to maintain a balance between vegetative growth and spur development. The pruning consists of thinning out of all upright laterals and those growing inside the trees and heading back of laterals, leaders and laterals. In apple, the fruit is obtained not only spur but also on the fruit bud of young laterals. Therefore, pruning should be done in such a way that continuous supply of new healthy shoots, spurs and branches are maintained. While pruning, some parts of tree is pruned and some left unpruned. The pruned parts produce shoot growth and unpruned parts will produce fruit buds. The laterals which have left unpruned in 1 year may either shorten or left unpruned in next year depending on the growth, spur formation and crop load. Once the laterals have cropped and become weak, they must be severely shortened, leaving them 5 to 6 cm long. The severe shortening will promote the production of new growth from this stub, which in 2 years will give a crop. The whole cycle is accordingly repeated every year to ensure the regular growth, spur formation, and cropping. At the time of pruning, dead, diseased, broken branches are removed, and on cut surfaces, Bordeaux paste is applied to avoid any fungal infection. Best time of pruning is during dormant season, that is December and January. So next cultivation practices will be continued in next coming video. Thank you.